Finally, Women's Premier League 2025. In the final match, two finalists Mumbai Indians Women vs Delhi Capitals Women. Match played at Brabourne Stadium, Mumbai. Delhi Capitals Women won the toss, elected to field first. Mumbai Indians Women 20 overs, 149 runs, lost by 7 wickets. Harmanpreet Kaur is the highest scorer, 44 balls, 66 runs. Then Delhi Capitals women best bowling spell, Marijana Cup, 4 overs, no maiden, 11 runs, 2 wickets taken. Delhi Capitals women 20 overs, 141 runs, lost by 9 wickets. Marijana Cup is the highest scorer, 26 balls, 40 runs. Then Delhi Capitals women best bowling figure, Shobnim Ismail, 4 overs, no maiden, 15 runs, 1 wicket taken. Mumbai Indians won by 8 runs in this match. Player of the match Harmanpreet Kaur. Player of the series Natalia Scriber Brown. Congratulations Mumbai Indians women.